Sorry about that. I had to go and do my glue and then I hit the wrong button and I finished off that video. So you're going to see this in two smaller bits while I finish this off. I find it a bit hard to see where the buttons are because they're opposite to where I'm sitting, so never mind. Okay. The front. The back, this is my pocket. Like so. And again, don't waste any precious paper. It just slides under just enough. And you don't lose all that nice paper under a pocket where it never gets seen. Okay, and the pocket on your base mat. Again, when I did the notch so that you get the photo mat out easy, I had my pattern paper cut and I put the notch in both the cardstock and the pattern paper at the same time so that they would line up when I stuck them together. And then our little piece for the belly band. And that's it. Finished. Flap. Big 5x7 photo on there, or 2 small ones, or 4 smaller ones again. There's your pocket. There's your other pocket and your belly band. Thanks very much. Hope to see you again.